Hello everyone, my name is Amanda. Welcome to my channel. I do cook with me's, clean with me's, grocery hauls, just mama life stuff. So if you like all that kind of content, hit subscribe. So today I am bringing you another Mamabox unboxing. This one is for month 7, so weeks 27 to 30. I'm actually 36 weeks, so I am a little bit behind on these boxes, but that's okay. Like, they still have heaps of goodies to enjoy in them, so that's fine. So Mamabox, for those of you that don't know, Mamabox is a subscription box, and you can get it trimesterly. You can get it each trimester or per month. There's a premium box, and then there's also the mini box, and this is the mini box. And I'll link all the website and prices. I'll link all that stuff down below. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Firstly, they have these little cards, which have like how big baby is and a little did you know. So yeah, which is really cute. First things first, the first item we have in that is the Nixie Road baby clothes dividers, which is really cute. So these are yeah, just like you put them in between all the clothes in the wardrobe and they separate them, which I think is a really cute idea. We also have teethers, which will come in handy for when baby is teething. There's this, which is called Fluffy, and it is fancy fairy floss. It says purple clouds of mystical musk make up this beautiful mess with a shooting star of rainbow fragments that unicorns can't digest. I've actually never seen this before, but I'm really excited to try that. So next item is QV Baby Moisturizing Cream, which is good to have. So that'll be good. So I've got a good stock now. So I've got another one and then this one. So I've got a good stock of baby moisturizers, because that's what I found when I had my son, was his skin was so dry. He like had really dry skin for like the first few weeks of his life. So this will definitely come in handy. We have beauty water. I've gotten a few of these. They're quite good. So it's got orange mandarin, nurturing extracts, natural flavors. So it's just like a little thing that you can, I don't know what exactly it does. It says collagen pantry. I don't know if that's part of the thing. It says 200% RDI, vitamin C and vitamin A, whole family friendly. So it says daily booster, add to sachet to water, juice or smoothies once daily. So yeah, so it's just like a little supplement thing. There's this, it's a little sample size of the stretch mark massage oil, which is quite cute. And then this I'm really excited about is Brownie mix. So this is for breastfeeding. So this is actually a brownie mix that helps to boost milk supply. I'm a bit excited about this, to try this, because I've heard of them, because I remember with my son I only ever had the cookies. I never tried any of the brownies or teas. You can also get teas. Yeah, I only ever had the breastfeeding cookies, and they were pretty good. So I'm hoping these will be nice as well. So yeah, can't wait for that. And they are, yeah, so at the Milk Pantry, our main focus is sourcing wholesome ingredients to provide nourishment for breastfeeding mums. Our products are designed to be in your pantry ready for when you need them, without the added preservatives and additives. We recommend 1 to 2 serves per day, as individual results may vary. For increased results, our brownies may be used in conjunction with our other products. Yeah, so that's good. So they're very exciting that there's a brownie that will help me make milk. And that is everything. Yeah, that's everything for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.